Quezon City Representative Kit Belmonte has come to the defense of former Senator Mar Roxas and his family. This after Presidential Spokesperson Harry Roque said they didn't contribute anything to the government's campaign against COVID-19. The smart Araneta Coliseum is owned by the Araneta family that includes Judy Araneta Roxas, the mother of the former Liberal Party presidential candidate. Belmonte stressed Araneta Coliseum has long been used as a COVID-19 testing facility. According to Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte, Araneta City was tapped since fourth quarter of 2020 as a venue for the local government's free RT-PCR test for the general public. It has also allowed the free use of the Araneta City busport as site for the drive-through COVID-19 RT-PCR saliva testing of the Philippine Red Cross. Given this fact-checked, the lawmaker accompanied his tweets to Roque with an image of a dog riding a jet ski.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.